So, how old are you?
Oh, I'm 18 years old.
Ooh, fresh out the box.
No kidding.
Hello everyone, this is Jordan.
This is Joyce.
So, today we're at 杨梅大毘卢寺.
对，它的全名叫做新逍遥园大毘卢寺哦。
Oh yeah.
你知道我今天现在很开心，为什么你知道吗？
Oh, I think I know.
嗯哼
Is it because it's beautiful out here?
，Yes. What else?
Is it because of your hair?
No.
Is it because of the drone?
Yeah, you got it.
Ding 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 ding.
好，因为呢，我昨天去虎头山要练习那个空拍机呀、那不知道差一点炸机，我紧张死了。因为呢，我昨天呢就白天的时候好不容易晴天了，那想说，可以练练空拍机。但是呢，平地是没有风的，可是飞上去之后，突然不见了。然后呢，我的手机显示说强风侵袭，实际上是捏了一把冷汗。但是呢，后来我冷静之后，终于回到我的手上了。
Well, that's the good thing about this temple. Here, the winds have died down quite a bit, and there's lots of space. This temple is currently under renovation, and because of COVID-19, so we have the place all to ourselves, kind of.
对啊，我们很幸运哦，因为我们刚进来的时候，那个工作人员说，平常不开放，那你们算是幸运了，因为今天开放给工作人员进来维修，所以我们还能够待到5点，所以我们就尽情在这里拍摄，好开心哦。
It's been fun shooting here. The first thing that I've noticed was outside the temple, there's a lot of very, geometrically beautiful statues here. Lots of spheres and rectangular prisms. Not to get all mathy on you, but there's a lot of water and gods I haven't seen here before. But there's also some writing I don't understand. Are those Chinese characters?
那个我想应该是藏文。
Oh.
对，因为这边呢，应该是禅宗还有密宗都有在熏修的一座佛寺。对，所以等一下我们看影片的介绍，来好好认识一下。好，那我们一起来认识吧，大毘卢寺。
All right, let's get to know this temple a little bit more.
DaPiLu Temple was founded by Master Shi Chengguang in June 1991. It was called DaPiLu Hong Court at the time. It was originally located on Beitou Hot Spring Road and later changed its name to DaPiLu Temple in 1995. More than 20 years later, in December 2019, the Xin Xiaoyao Garden Translation Institute, which was planned to be built in Yangmei District, Taoyuan City, was completed, and the DaPiLu Temple was immediately moved to its current location. Here, you can see the 5 Directions Buddha, the 3 Treasures Buddha, the 3 Saints of the West, the 3 Saints of the East, the 3 Saints of Huayan, the 3 Saints of Saha, the 1,000-hand Avalokitesvara, the Alto Avalokitesvara, the Fudo Mingwang, etc., as well as the 5-wheel pagoda and the treasure seal, the tower, and other facilities, as well as the etiquette indicating how to visit the dojo, is very well built, which makes people feel very relaxed and happy. Master Chengguang, the abbot of his monastery, is mainly engaged in the legal affairs of annotation and translation of scriptures, so he named the new dojo Xin Xiaoyao Yuan Translation Institute in 2009. Xiaoyao Garden is the place where Kumarajiva, the Sanzang master, an ancient Yao and Qin dynasty, translated scriptures. The emperor at that time gave him this temple as a translation center. He named the translation center Xiaoyao Garden, and translated here many ancient and immortal Buddhist scriptures.
The practice methods of DaPiLu Temple are mainly Zen and Tantra, and is compatible with other sects. The Tantra practice is the Shingon sect, which is commonly known as the Eastern Tantra. That is, the Japanese master Kobo in the Tang Dynasty crossed the sea to the Qinglong Temple in Chang'an, China. The Orthodox Tathagata esoteric teaching of three kingdoms passing the lamp, passed down by Huigo Li. Three countries refer to India, China, and Japan. This Tantra is commonly known as Tang Dynasty Tantra in China. After being introduced to Japan by Master Kobo, he carried it forward, inherited to the present day, and it is called Eastern Tantra.
Master Chengguang vowed to translate the 8 major Mahayana scriptures into English, so that all sentient beings around the world can touch the nectar of the Tathagata, cut off evil, and cultivate goodness, and have a clear mind and view of nature. He believes that English has become a world language coupled with the prosperity of the internet. If all Buddhist scriptures are translated into English, the globalization of Buddhism will be just around the corner.
Hey Jordan, what are today's vocabulary words?
They are founded, institute, globalization, pagoda, vow, facility, esoteric, affair, professional usage, sect, sentient. Personal note from Jordan. I'm reading the last paragraph and I was thinking that this is kind of a true fact as we see around the world, that English has become pretty much the world language. When I first came into Asia, I really first realized this by seeing how many cram schools there are that teach English, mathematics as two of the main heavy-hitting subjects in all of them. So I do find this fact quite interesting. But what do you think as the viewers? Do you think learning English is that much of a key to making something a worldwide culture phenomenon? Leave your comments down below to let us know what you think.